Now we have completed how to find the inverse of a matrix. Today we will see the application of matrices to cryptography. For inverse of matrices, many applications are there. One of the very important application is in cryptography. So you should know what is cryptography. Cryptography deals with sending of information from one person to another person without letting other people know about it. So cryptography depends on two factors. One is encryption, the other one is decryption. So from here itself it's clear, cryptography. So always I am interested in English. So you see the connection, encryption, decryption. Then here it is cryptography. So we should know what is encryption. So encryption is the transformation of an information into an unreadable form. Decryption is the opposite of that. Transformation from unreadable form to the original form. So this depends on a secret technique. Then that secret technique is known as a key. A sender we use a non-singular matrix. That matrix is called encryption matrix. Then another name for that is encoding matrix. Sender will be using a non-singular matrix as a key, and he will be post multiplying. He will depend on post multiplication. Similarly, a receiver will use the post multiplication by a inverse of this non-singular matrix. Now let us see an example. Suppose we want to send an information in English alphabets A to Z. We can assign numbers. First letter A we can assign number 1, B we can assign number 2, like that we can assign numbers to the English letters. Then to represent the blank space we can use 0. Let us try to understand the application of inverses of matrices in cryptography with an example. Suppose we want to send the English word welcome. We have to select a non-singular matrix of our own choice. So we have selected a 3 by 3 square matrix of our own choice. Then here encryption depends on a key. Here key is the post multiplication by a non-singular matrices. So this given, since we have selected a 3 by 3 square matrix, so the given word is cut into pieces, each containing 3 letters. Because we have selected a 3 by 3 matrix, we have cut the given word into pieces, each containing 3 letters. Well, come, then last letter E. Then each letter we can assign number. W is the 23rd letter in the English alphabet. E is the 5th letter in the English alphabet. L is the 12th letter in the English alphabet. Similarly, you assign numbers to each letter. Then last here E is there. Then other 2 letters we are giving 0, since E, to make it a matrix, raw matrix of with the 3 numbers. Next, our key is the post multiplication by a non-singular matrix. So this is the uncoded row matrix. This uncoded row matrix. First 23, 5, 12. That you multiply by encoding matrix, post multiplication by encoding matrix. So after multiplying, this is a 1 by 3 matrix. There is only one row and 3 columns. Here it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So number of column in the first one is equal to the number of rows in the second one. After multiplying, you will get a 1 by 3 matrix. So this you multiply with this and add, you will get 45. Then this elements you multiply by this and add, you will get this. Then this you multiply and multiply by this and add, you will get this. Similarly, you complete each one. This 3, 15, 13. Each one you multiply by the encoding matrix. So you will get a coded row matrix. Decryption is the process of retrieving the original information from the coded form. For that, receiver will depend on the inverse of this matrix. So already you have studied how to get the inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix is adjoint A divided by determinant of A. You find the inverse of this matrix. Then receiver is using the key as the post multiplication by the inverse of the matrix. Decryption is the transformation of unreadable form into original form. Now the word welcome, we made it into unreadable form by making it a coded row matrix. Then the receiver is using the key as the post multiplication by the inverse of the non-singular matrix. Now this is a coded row matrices. You multiply by the inverse of the non-singular matrix. When you multiply this row matrix by this inverse of the non-singular matrix, so you will get this row matrix, decoded row matrix. You multiply each elements of this row by the elements of this column and add, you will get this. Next, you multiply each element of this row, you multiply by the second column and add, you will get this. Similarly, each elements of this row, you multiply by the third elements of the third column and add, you will get this. So you multiply these two matrices. So you will get a decoded row matrix. Then similarly the other. Also you multiply, you will get the decoded row matrix. 25, 5, 12 and 3, 15, 13 and 5, 0, 0. Now you change it into English letter. 23rd element is 23rd letter is W, 5th letter is E, 12th letter is L. Like that we can transform the from the unreadable form to the readable